It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope you're enjoying sunshine everywhere, maybe. Today I'm going to do another Florida swipe. So I'm going to cover with some dots. And I'll start with, oh, these were already.
Yep, Prussian blue.
Yes, Craft Smart Plum.
Oh, look at you.
I almost said it wrong again.
Smart craft. There you go. Oh.
Oops. Then I'm going to use some Liquitex light green yellow that John made a brand new color. Looks pretty, John.
It's a little thick still.
Yeah.
It has to be thinned with some deco art. As soon as you get some out of there, I'll...
Yeesh.
Oh, nice. Looks like those little candies you pull off the white strips.
Dots.
Dots, yeah. Dots, what they call them?
We've had this conversation before.
I think so. That color you using there, man?
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
well,
shoot. Color flash.
Folk art.
Color shift, blue flash.
All right.
None of these.
Right.
None
I
of these.
see that
None
now.
of these. That's why I put the ones too over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're so sweet.
Yeah, that's me.
Probably using too much paint, huh?
Probably.
Should I continue?
Yeah, go ahead. You can get all your colors on there. It's okay. Falls on the floor, falls on the floor. Or not on the floor.
No, not on the floor. Please say no.
Not using this one either.
No, but
Those two.
okay. When I'm gonna do the swipe, you'll have to tell them what colors since they're over on your side.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'll read them off here.
Perfect.
You're using Prussian blue right now. I know I can tell you that. And this next one's going to be Deco Art Peacock Teal.
Oh, I made a mess there.
Yeah, of course you did. It's usually
Come
me,
on, that's-
it's usually me making a mess.
I was gonna say that's usually my response to you.
Here's some apple barrel Tangelo. Look at this one here.
Did I make a mess on that one too?
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's usually me that's sticking my finger in things. Well, that's a Liquitex green. Craft Smart Plum. Use plum? Yeah, use plum. Right?
I used
And
blue.
School Bus Yellow. FA. False
Folk art.
advertising. Folk art.
I wonder if I should spread this around a little bit. Or you think it's gonna will it cover?
I don't think so. I don't know what to do. What do you want to do?
Oh, I just want to make sure. Well, I could always go back.
Yeah, you could go back.
Because I have those things. Okay.
Okay, so you know how wide you put your stuff, right? So you can do one at a time. Is that what you're gonna do?
No.
I know.
Oh yeah,
You're gonna-
swipe them one at a
Yeah,
time.
so you
Oh,
need-
so I might as well just put the color.
So
one
you
at
need
a
to put the
time.
color on the width of
Yeah.
that, right? That's what you're gonna
Okay,
do. Okay,
yeah.
sounds great.
Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some
Color shift.
folk art color shift colors.
Yep, I'll tell you what they are. Blue flash,
Okay.
blue violet flash,
Blue violet flash.
blue flash,
Blue flash.
color shift green,
Color shift green.
purple flash.
Purple flash.
Is there another one?
Yeah.
I don't know. And FA color, folk
Folk
art,
art.
color shift red flash.
All right. Eee, I wonder if I should tilt them a little.
I wouldn't, but we could if you want to. I don't know what you want to tilt them for. You're just gonna.
Well, I just want to make sure
You're just gonna
everything's
do this
covered.
Florida swipe now, right?
Okay, yes. Okay, so I'm going to put
The width of the plastic, that's how far it's going down? Yeah, roughly, yeah. It's like almost to the other yellow dot.
Yeah. I think that's enough.
Okay, good luck, yeah.
Thanks. Okay, I'm going to use a piece of plastic to swipe this down.
Okay.
I probably should do it again, huh? Because I kind of stopped it there.
Yeah, but you can't do it with that piece because you got yellow and blue on it already. You have to do it with a clear one, clean one, or wipe it off.
Okay.
There you go.
No, let me use the wet thing.
Oh, use the wet one.
Thank you. Well, I'll wait and see what happens.
Yeah, I'll do it again.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Just go nice and easy with it and see how it works. There you go. Right off the end. Yeah, beautiful. Okay.
You know what the problem is?
I have seen no problems.
The problem is that this is wobbly.
Wobbly. Oh.
So,
Oh well.
okay.
So
that's
what
that
color you
color.
putting next to the purple?
Oh, I think I'm going to put green.
Oh, I think it's a good. How far there? Oh, just past the green dot. Beautiful. I'm glad we taped the sides of this before. So
Oh, yes, the sides have been taped and what's the size of this canvas, John?
it's a 4x12, a deep-sided 4x12. Ooh, it's kind of cool in the middle. And there is a little silicone in the swipe colors.
Yes, I put the silicone in the swipe colors. A lot of people say that they don't do that, but what the heck? You only live once.
Where did you put the, oh, you have them in front of you.
What's that?
Those, I thought they were under here.
Oh, okay, next color will be,
Red?
yeah.
Maybe, yeah. Oh, look at the pretty cells you got popping up there.
I think I'm going to have to end up pushing it that way because I see weight there.
Yeah,
I wish this was steady on
so
here.
maybe we can just roll it back later. Maybe just tilt it and it'll roll back there.
That's true.
What is the, oh.
What are you doing?
Okay.
I'm just
sorry.
measuring.
I'm sorry.
Okay, the middle of the blue.
Okay.
Messy, messy, messy.
Very nice.
Let me do this one.
Okay.
Hopefully I measured this
Yeah,
right.
you did good. Somebody wants to cut grass now, right?
Is it hard grass cutter?
I don't think so.
Do it again. Same colors, right? Or no?
Oh, nice. Well, beautiful.
So pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I should have had another canvas to plop them all on.
Oh, stop it. Wipe the paint off. Oh, you're so goofy.
Oh,
What?
so pretty.
Yeah, so don't wipe it on your own side of the thing. You're wiping it on. Yeah, she's done. She wipes it over here on my side of the table.
Because you're the messy one all the time. So.
Oh, sure.
I'll let you be the messy one. What's the last color? Oh, purple.
Purple flash.
Ready?
I am. Can't wait. Oh, very nice.
Got a white spot, so I'm gonna do that over again.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like, on this side, it looks like the syrup that they put on snow cones running down on the snow cones. Look.
Oh, wow. Oh, that would have been cool to save like that.
Not with what's underneath.
Would only be on one side. Huh?
Not with what's underneath.
I'm sorry, not.
Not with what's underneath the tape.
Oh,
If
yeah.
it was painted completely white.
Yeah, that might be cool. Okay, I want to do a little there, so I think I'm just gonna swipe it this way.
Yeah. But
Without-
I don't think you need any more, do
No, I
you?
don't think so either.
Just do it gently there, that's all. There you go.
Wow. Oh shoot, there's a white spot there too.
A little drop of paint there or something.
Well, yeah, or should I just swipe it again?
Yeah, I hate to see you lose your good cells, but that's go ahead, give it a swipe. I give it a swipe the other way though. The red, pull the red down over it. No, or yay.
This way.
No.
Oh, you mean do that
The
way?
you did, yeah. Think or no?
This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I think. I don't know. You're asking me for. I'm not a swiper.
You're a swiper from way back when. I guess I'll just put a little piece.
I was gonna
drop
say,
of
take a little of
paint
that color off that thing with the stick and drop it in the dot.
Yeah, well, it's just this tan gel or whatever, so this is what I'm gonna do.
Rudge
Oh, look
mixture?
at that.
Well, probably have some right
Got a drop right there.
here.
Oh, where's...
Trying to find a dry stick. Hold on.
Thank you. I don't know if that's gonna work or not.
What do you think off of here? There's colors off of here. There
Got
you
it.
go. There you go. Good deal. Look how pretty cells in here. Does it move at all? If you move it at all?
Like, which way?
I don't know. I mean, I would think back and forth this way. I wouldn't think this way. I would think
This
this
way?
way. Yeah, this way. That would anything move? It's probably not too thick on there anyhow. So.
No, not really. I don't see it moving. You?
Well, it looks good. It looks good. Why don't you hit it with your torch?
Yeah.
Don't burn it. If I get it for you.
Yeah, I'll have to.
I'll get it for you.
I'll stay back here so I don't burn it.
Oh, you're getting too close. See the flame touching the paint there. Just want the heat to get there again. Cool.
Now, same way, turn it off this way, yeah. Cool.
Same as the other one. Same as it ever was.
I'm happy.
I'm happy you're happy. Happy wife.
Oh, be quiet. I hate that saying. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Florida swipe. Please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Let me get you in closer for a closer look of it. Good?
Yep.
Okay. Bang the bell to be notified of new videos. Share with your friends, family, neighbors, acquaintances, everybody. We only have 54 subscribers, so we'd like to get more. We don't ask people for any kind of money or anything. We just want people to watch our videos and appreciate our enjoyment together. Check out our paintings on eBay, username John Him. This is Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium.
You forgot where you were, huh?
Couples painting. I'm just so excited it came out good. Thank you for watching. Be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Goodbye.